Let's learn English. Lesson 3. Verb-to-be short answers. Verb to do. Verb-to-be short answers. Am I late? Yes, you are. No, you aren't. Are you ready? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Are we students? Yes, we are. No, we aren't. Are they busy? Yes, they are. No, they aren't. Is he a teacher? Yes, he is. No, he isn't. Is she happy? Yes, she is. No, she isn't. Is it easy? Yes, it is. No, it isn't. Verb to do, present. Subject-verb agreement.
I do. We do. You do. They do. He does. She does. It does. I like. We like. You like. They like.
He likes. She likes. It likes. Singular and plural verbs. For I, we, you, they. For he, she, it. Read, reads. Do, does. Go, goes. Pass, passes. Finish, finishes. Watch, watches. Study, studies. Carry, carries. Marry, marries.
Example sentences. I like dogs. She likes dogs. I work hard. He works hard. They finish the work. She finishes the work. We watch TV every evening. My mother watches TV every morning. I study the lessons very well. She studies the lessons very well. Simple present question, do you? Does he? Do plus I, you, we, they plus verb? Does plus he, she, it plus verb? Do I? Do you? Do we? Do they? Does he? Does she? Does it? Simple present question. Example sentences. I work, do I work? You work, do you work? We work, do we work? They work, do they work? He works, does he work? She works, does she work? It works, does it work? Short answers. Do you work? Yes, I do. Do we work? Yes, we do. Do they work? Yes, they do. Does he work? Yes, he does. Does she work? Yes, she does. Does it work? Yes, it does.
Negative simple present. Complete form and short form. I, we, you, they plus do not, don't. He, she, it. Plus does not, doesn't. I do not, I don't. We do not, we don't. You do not, you don't. They do not, they don't. He does not, he doesn't. She does not, she doesn't. It does not, it doesn't. Example sentences. I do not like, I don't like. We do not like, we don't like. You do not like, you don't like. They do not like, they don't like. He does not like, he doesn't like. She does not like, she doesn't like. It does not like, it doesn't like. I do not like dogs. I don't like dogs. She does not like dogs. She doesn't like dogs. I do not work hard. I don't work hard. He does not work hard. He doesn't work hard. They do not finish the work. They don't finish the work. She does not finish the work. She doesn't finish the work. We do not watch TV every evening. We don't watch TV every evening. My mother does not watch TV every morning. My mother doesn't watch TV every morning. I do not study the lessons very well. I don't study the lessons very well. She does not study the lessons very well. She doesn't study the lessons very well. Negative simple present question. I don't work, don't I work? You don't work, don't you work? We don't work, don't we work? They don't work, don't they work? He doesn't work, doesn't he work? She doesn't work, doesn't she work? It doesn't work, doesn't it work? Short answers. Do you work? No, I don't. Do we work? No, we don't. Do they work? No, they don't. Does he work? No, he doesn't. Does she work? No, she doesn't. Does it work? No, it doesn't. Exercise. 1. Choose the correct verb, S or no S. Answer 1. 1. I like dogs. 2. She likes dogs. 3. They work hard. 4. He works hard. 5. We study English. 6. She studies English. 7. They finish the work. 8. He finishes the work. Simple rule, use no S with I, you, we, they. Use S or es with he, she, it.
Exercise 2. Put the verb in brackets in the correct form. Answers 2. 1. I like tea. 2. He likes coffee. 3. We watch TV every evening. 4. She watches TV every morning. 5. They study English. 6. She studies English. 7. I work hard. 8. He works hard. Simple rule, I, you, we, they verb, no S. He, she, it verb plus S/es. Exercise 3. Match the sentences. Match, A with B. Answer 3, 1 and B, I like dogs. 2 and A, she likes dogs. 3 and D, they finish the work. 4 and C, he finishes the work. Exercise 4. Make questions, do or does. Change the sentence into a question. Answer 4, 1. You work. Do you work? 2. They study English. Do they study English? 3. He works hard. Does he work hard? 4. She studies the lesson. Does she study the lesson? 5. It works. Does it work? Simple rule, do plus I, you, we, they. Does plus he, she, it. After does, the verb has no S. Exercise 5. Short answers, yes, I do, or yes, he does. Answer the questions. Answer 5, 1. Do you work? Yes, I do. 2. Do they finish the work? Yes, they do. 3. Does he work hard? Yes, he does. 4. Does she like dogs? Yes, she does. 5. Does it work? Yes, it does. Simple rule: do I, you, we, they do. Does he, she, it does. Exercise 6. Write down what you hear. My English study. I am a university student, and I study English every day. English is important for my future. In the classroom, I am calm and ready to learn. My teacher is kind and patient, and he teaches us clearly. He explains the lesson step by step, and we understand better. My classmates are friendly, and we learn together. We listen carefully during the lesson, and we do our exercises in class. We ask questions when we do not understand, and the teacher helps us. We are not lazy, and we try our best every day. I am happy in the class. The lessons are not difficult, and the classroom is quiet. We respect our teacher and each other, and we study with care. I believe this path is good, and I continue my study with confidence.
Answer 6. My English study. I am a university student, and I study English every day. English is important for my future. In the classroom, I am calm and ready to learn. My teacher is kind and patient, and he teaches us clearly. He explains the lesson step by step, and we understand better. My classmates are friendly, and we learn together. We listen carefully during the lesson, and we do our exercises in class. We ask questions when we do not understand, and the teacher helps us. We are not lazy, and we try our best every day. I am happy in the class. The lessons are not difficult, and the classroom is quiet. We respect our teacher and each other, and we study with care. I believe this path is good, and I continue my study with confidence.